Do you want to create that feeling of garden envy with spick and span driveways, decks, gardens and other outdoor spaces? The powerful RYOBI 18-volt ONE Brushless Jet Blower will quickly clean around the garden thanks to its brushless motor. Just how powerful is this blower? Well, this brushless motor in turbo mode will move air at up to 200 kilometers an hour. Now that's just what you want for moving heavy debris off a footpath like this one. Cruise control reduces fatigue, and the lightweight and portable design is easy and comfortable to use. This simple but effective speed nozzle feature means you have even greater directional control. The brushless jet blower is powered by the same ONE+ battery that powers the whole ONE+ range. I reckon if there's a competition for the cleanest house in the street, you're going to blow the competition away.
RYOBI, a cut above.